Hi, in front of me I have SUUNTO Ambit3 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First, we need to open the SUUNTO app on our phone, so let's do it. In the app, we need to tap on this watch icon between the plus and bell icon, like this. Here, we have a connection option, tap on it. In the connection, scroll down, tap on forget. Now we can close the app. Then open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. In Bluetooth settings, find the Ambit3 device right here, as you can see. Tap on the settings icon next to it. Then tap on forget and tap on forget device, like this. And also go to your watch. Press and hold the next button to open the menu, like this. In the menu, use the start/stop button to scroll up, select the option called pair and press next. Here, make sure that the mobile app option is selected, as you can see it is. Press the next button. And now, to unpair the watch, press the start/stop button, like this. As you can see, it says mobile app unpaired. We can press the back button a couple of times now to go back to watch face. And that's how you basically unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.